Hey guys, I'm here with my first unboxing video. I'm super excited. And I wanted to do it right away because I was so excited to open this. You can tell my hair is a hot mess and I don't have any makeup on. That's how excited I am. So I started a few brand partnerships recently with some awesome handcrafters who do various things that you might want for your trip. Um, and one of them is an awesome lady who does really cool custom ears. And I know my Disney fans, they love their ears. I have a collection, and I'm sure you're going to want to have a collection too for your trip. So Stacy is her name, and her shop on Etsy is called Magical Sewing Studio. I'll put all of the links in here. She's also offering my clients an exclusive discount if you order ears from her. So she asked me a bunch of questions and she sent me a surprise. She had originally told me to pick some stuff, but I said, you know what, I would love for you to surprise me. So I'm really excited to see what she sent. So I've undone the box, but I haven't looked at anything yet, and I'm really excited to take a look here and see what she sent. And oh, how sweet. Okay, first of all, there's a little card here that says Magic Mail with some Mickey ears there. And let's see this. Oh, very cute. Oh, I hope you love these ears. Let me know when you get them. Stacy. So Stacy is not only awesome at what she does, I'm so excited to see these, but she's just genuinely a really cool human being. So I was so excited to be able to partner with her because she just is kind of spectacular. So let's see what we have. Oh, oh, wow, oh my God, okay. Let's get these open. So exciting. Okay, so this first pair, she sent me two pairs. She's so sweet. Oh my God, I hope that you guys can see this. I'm gonna kind of bring it in. It's Disney princesses. So there's Belle right there, and look, oh, on the back you can see there's Snow White, and you can see Ariel here, and then there's a beautiful, but okay, so here's my thing with ears. I absolutely love all the folks that are on Etsy making custom ears, and I mad respect for them because I have zero sewing skills. But for me, one of the biggest things about ears is that this seam can't be like puckered and weird. And look at how perfectly round that ear is. That is amazing. And look at how gorgeous this bow is. This bow looks exactly like the bow on my rose gold ears. It's really well done. These are, I'm going to put them on because they're so beautiful. And look at that. Okay, so the ears are also like right where they should be. Sometimes I've seen in shops where the ears are kind of like at a wonky angle. These are perfect. So excited. These are gorgeous. I love them. I'm definitely excited to wear them on my next trip. We're going in September for Food and Wine Festival, and you will definitely see me on Instagram wearing these ears. They are absolutely gorgeous. Stacey, thank you so much. They are so beautiful. I really love these. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, pair two. These are really awesome. So if you guys have been following along with me on Facebook and Instagram, you'll know that I was chosen to go on a trip to Aulani, which is Disney's Hawaiian resort. And these have a really fun tropical vibe to them. And I'm going to be wearing these for sure in Aulani. So if you take a look, these have a really cool Mickey pattern, and these look like little palm leaves. Look at on the back, those look like little hibiscus flowers. These are really awesome. Oh, look, there's Minnie. It looks like she's giving Mickey the eyes. And look, there they are together. And again, gorgeous bow. Perfect bow. Perfect rounded ear. So I'm a little bit picky about my ears, and these are so well done. They definitely fit the bill for everything I'm looking for. Let me lean back a little bit. These I love. I love them both so much, but these are really exciting. I'm excited to wear them in Alani because I feel like that has its own kind of special vibe. And these are really, really cool. So Stacy, thank you so much for making these ears, for sending them to me, for partnering with me. And I'm so excited for all of you to visit her shop and see what she does and to order some ears from her. She's awesome. And again, if you book with me, you get a special discount on her ears. So let me know. If you've already booked with me, I've sent out some codes to everybody, but if you didn't get that email, just reach out to me. And if you're thinking about booking soon, that's just an added perk. You get to get some really awesome ears from a really awesome handcrafter in Etsy, Magical Sewing Studio. And you get a cool discount. So again, thank you so much. These are really awesome. I couldn't be more happy with them. I'm really excited for you guys to see me heading out to the parks and to Alani with these new ears. That's all I have for now. I'm really excited. I will see you guys really soon. Have a great night.